Oh, do they? Yep, I love those. I don't even know how to start this vlog, but we just bought a house and we're in it for the first time since it has our name on it.
Yeah, we did.
We just bought a house. This is exciting. Welcome. That's the front door. We have an office up there, kind of hard to see. Living room, kitchen. Our realtor made paper that has the picture of our house in like a frame and it has like the date on it. It's January 8th today with our little congratulations balloons. That's our master bedroom. And those are the other bedrooms. It feels crazy. It feels so crazy that we just did this. We just came from the signing paperwork. We had some breakfast. Look at our new kitchen. We have a gas range. I've never had gas before in a house. So anyways, we're just bopping around. We're gonna take a couple measurements. We got a big pantry. And then I think we're gonna pop over to Home Depot, just briefly look, see if they have anything we're liking. And I do have to go into work this afternoon.
We both do.
Yeah, we both do. We're just pretending like we don't and doing house stuff right now. But
Can you blame us?
can you blame us? I'll give you a quick tour here in a minute, but wanted to fill you guys in on where we've been all of December. We've been buying a house. Yeah, honestly, so easy. Master bedroom, 2 guest rooms. Where's that, downtown? Front door. This is gonna be Morgan's office. Has a great closet. And this is like the entry. So cute. Okay, ceilings and doors are so tall. This is one of the guest rooms. The windows are so tall. And they like go down to the floor. Bathroom, other bedroom. This is a Murphy bed. I don't know what we're gonna do about that. We're probably gonna take it down.
Right there. This is 84.
Okay, it's moving day. Living spaces just got here with our couch and our TV stand. Got the new TV stand. They're bringing in the couch next. LOL at my tape. It looks so good. I'm so glad we got this. This is from Living Spaces. They didn't have it in the store, but I saw it online. And I could tell just by the stuff they had in store, it was gonna be pretty good quality. Here's the kitchen. I love it. Hey, babe. You're crazy. Good morning. Hi guys, long time no talk. I will preface this with saying the cedar fever is high in Texas and I'm dying a little bit of allergies. So if I sound a little nasally, my apologies. You might notice we got ready at a different house today, and that's because me and Morgan bought our first house. And it was fast and busy and crazy, and it really just, and then we moved, like, it happened in basically 30 days, and we moved in like 37 days, from the day we saw the house. Actually, the first day we looked at houses at all. This was one of the ones we looked at. And we just, instantly fell in love. It was so beautiful. We are incredibly proud of ourselves, and it's just a surreal feeling, something we've talked about. And if you're not new here, me and Morgan have been talking about, when we buy a house. And we always, I think we were just a little nervous. Like, I don't know, what if we don't get approved? What if we can't even get something that we like? And we went for it. Right after Thanksgiving, we were looking at Zillow with his mom, and we saw a couple that were vacant, and the sellers had moved out and the prices were dropping. And I was like, maybe we should just not wait for after the holidays and just jump on it. And we did, and it worked out really great. So that is kind of where I've been. Work has been crazy. I have a new, I should not have gone this way. I'm still learning my my route, and this is a school zone, and I forget about it. So anyways, we're moving and grooving though. I have plenty of time. We moved to, my commute is a lot longer. So if you're new here, I lived in San Antonio, I work in San Antonio, but we just bought a house in New Braunfels, which is the town that I grew up in, and I just love it dearly. I truly do. It's such a great place to be. It's perfect for families, and we're excited to be here. A lot of our friends live here, so we're coming here all the time anyways, and it just made sense for just a little bit of a longer commute. I'm excited. I have some dinner. I have plans with some girlfriends tonight, which is so nice because we would always meet in New Braunfels because they live in New Braunfels, and I know I love New Braunfels. I want to come up here anytime I can. And I finally get to just be like, I get to drive 10 minutes home instead of 45 minutes home. So super exciting. I'm going to take you along with me. I'm having some kolaches from H-E-B. Did a little grocery order. Didn't really feel like cooking anything, so I just grabbed these, and they're actually so good. So sausage kolaches, and we're going to make our way through this school zone, and we'll just have a day. I'm on the way, I'm pulling in to dinner with some friends, some high school girlies, excited to catch up with them. We usually try to do something monthly together, this group, but everyone was so busy November, December, we just didn't have a month, or didn't have a weekend or a night even that we could all do something. So my thing isn't updating, and I don't know where this restaurant is. Oh, here it is. Okay, we're going to P.F. Chang's, which I haven't been to. I know I've eaten there once, but I don't remember what I ordered. I don't remember what it was like. I'm sure it's great. I just have no recollection. So yeah, I'm really excited. But I will try to get a little bit of footage if I can. My makeup is gone from the day. I've got to get some better makeup. I just feel like it's melting off my face in the middle of the day. I don't know why, but we're gonna go to dinner, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit.
Crazy things were happening at the hospital. So she was tired of driving back and forth. So she ended up getting a rental property pretty close to where we lived. And
Hello, I made it back from dinner. I wish this wasn't so... Is that better? I feel like that's better. I'm filming on my phone because my camera stopped working. I think we talked about that months ago in my last video. So I'm still filming on my phone. This is our bedroom. It's unpacked. Everything else is mostly it's still packed. Everything else is mostly unpacked, but we're probably going to do this weekend. Bed's the same. We're actually getting new bedroom furniture, so new nightstands, which will probably move these cabinets, which are from Amazon, to the office, I think. And then we're getting a new bed, something that's wood and instead of upholstered, because the cat wants to scratch it. It collects hair. We have an Australian Shepherd. We have a cat. It's just like furry. So we want something wood that we can just wipe down and doesn't just attract so much hair. So we do have that coming. I don't think the mirror's going to stay there. I just don't know where else to put it. And I love having a full-length mirror, you know? So I'm not sure where that will end up. It doesn't really work in the closet setup either. And then that's obviously the bathroom. So anyways, I guess I could give you a little quick tour. I know we kind of had one, I think, in a previous clip from a different day. I'm going to try to throw in here, but I'll walk you around and show you what it looks like now. Okay, we're going to turn this down. We got YouTube TV instead of paying for like normal cable, and I am loving it so far. I feel like it's so good. It's like $80 a month. Anyways, so here's the hallway, 2 guest rooms, closet, bathroom. This is the kitchen, which we love. The cabinets are huge. We have a big island. I need to put I hang my purse up over here. That's where Hutch is eating because Chance doesn't bother it up there. And then we also have the WALK stuff. We got a new couch. As you can see, this is the Kennedy couch from Living Spaces, and we did it just a smaller version because of just the stature of our living room is not that big, or the layout, if you will. And this one reclines, and this one also reclines, and I am a huge fan. We have a rug that we've picked out, but it's out of stock right now, so it should come back soon. It's from Home Depot. It's like brown and cream zebra. We're kind of getting crazy, but I feel like it's going to be really cool. These pillows aren't going to stay. They're just kind of random. We need to unpack those things, maybe get a side table over here, but this is what this is looking like. We will get a different coffee table, and then our floor is tile that just kind of looks like wood. But yeah, we're really liking the floors actually a lot. We do have some cabinets. So all of these are cabinets down here, which is so nice. Extra storage. I kind of put like our bar stuff and serving and like party kind of stuff down here. Hello. And now I'm going to have, so I went to PF Chang's. I got I showed my soup. I got the dinner special. So it came with like an appetizer, and I got the hot and sour soup. And I think I forgot to show our mains, but 2 of us got the spicy Chang's chicken, I think is what it's called, with white rice. So that's what that is. And then yesterday, Morgan got us some crumble. The minis, they have a mini 6-pack now. Hold on, let me put you down here. Okay, I'm gonna kind of lean over here. Yeah, he picked up the mini 6-pack yesterday, and they have PB&J. We got a couple of these because we thought this was gonna be our favorite. It is really good, but it's not our favorite. I think the brown sugar one is Morgan's favorite. It has the brown sugar Pop-Tart on top. My favorite, surprisingly, I think is the Oreo, which I saw was like a all the time flavor now, which is surprising. I usually don't like their chocolate cookies though. I love chocolate, but like something about their chocolate cookies, I just never liked them, but this one is really good. And then we also got the strawberry, I don't think it was cheesecake. I think it was like, I don't know, something strawberry, and it has like white chocolate chips, strawberry, and then like a streusel type of topping. I thought this was gonna be my favorite, but it's the Oreo one. So I'm gonna have a couple bites of these. And what time is it? 8:30. Ooh, it's so late. We were at dinner for a while. We were just chatting away. It's so fun to hang out with the girlies and just have like dinner dates and lunch dates. And I've been doing that a lot lately, and it's been super nice. I'm filming.
Okay, nice.
I know, crazy. It's been a while.
It has been a little while, hasn't it?
You want to come say hello in our new house? I showed them a tour.
Yeah. Hello.
We did it.
We did do it, didn't we?
We did it. I'm having a crumble. Do you want some? Oh, do you want some of my spicy chicken and rice?
No.
Okay. Well, it's in there if you do. It's kind of like sour and spicy. It's good.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I'm trying to decide which one I'm going to go for. I think I might finish the strawberry piece and half the Oreo.
Nice.
I think that's what I'm feeling.
Okay.
You want a bite? You going to go PBJ or brown sugar?
I wasn't necessarily going to decide between the two.
Both.
I was just going to have a little bit of both.
They're really good cold.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. I'll do a quarter of each.
Strawberry one's pretty good. I love the mini. It's so much better than the huge ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, much prefer.
That brown sugar one is good.
That's your favorite. I think it's good, but I don't.
I didn't think anything about it when I
Yeah.
got it, but it is my favorite.
That's how I feel about this Oreo one. I was like, oh, I'll give it a go. Because I love Oreo, but I never like their chocolate cookies. And it's scary that this is here all the time because it's good. But I'm going to have this. I'm probably going to relax on the couch a little bit. This wasn't the most entertaining vlog back, but I hope you'll like some of the clips we took on
Get back in the swing of things.
We are on our house journey. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Be back to regular scheduled programming. Probably do some grocery hauls, some what eat in a days. I'm still seeing a dietitian. I actually met with her today and it went really good. So yeah, we'll probably update you on all the things. I didn't tell her about the crumble though. I forgot about it.
How convenient.
Mm-hmm. It didn't come to mind.
They would probably say, I don't know what a dietitian would say. They would say just don't eat a whole one, probably.
She's more focused on like protein, always eating protein and carbs together, and movement and water. So, which I think is great.
I know, I didn't fill up my water. That reminds me.
Mm-hmm. I just filled up mine. We're getting hydrated in this house. But yeah, that's all for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. And we'll go back to our normal vloggy vlogs. Okay, bye.